Once upon a time, in the magical kingdom of Verdantia, there were 3 distinct animal communities: the Swift Squirrels, the Wise Owls, and the Mighty Lions. Each community had unique strengths and abilities, and they lived in harmony, respecting one another's differences. One day, a mysterious visitor arrived in the kingdom, an ancient sage known as Eldoria. She had traveled far and wide, seeking a solution to a great challenge that loomed over Verdantia. Eldoria spoke to the animals, gathering them in the center of the kingdom. "Dear creatures of Verdantia," she began, her voice resonating with wisdom. "A great danger is approaching our land. A monstrous storm, known as the Tempestus, is on its way. Its destructive force threatens to destroy our homes, our families, and our very way of life. But fear not, for there is a way to overcome this challenge." The animals looked at one another with worry and confusion. How could they possibly overcome such a mighty storm? Eldoria continued, "Each of your communities possesses unique talents that, when combined, can create a force stronger than any storm. The Swift Squirrels, with their nimble bodies and quick minds, can gather essential resources swiftly. The Wise Owls, with their vast knowledge and keen senses, can guide us through the storm's treacherous paths. And the Mighty Lions, with their strength and courage, can protect us from harm." The animals listened intently, their hearts filled with hope. They realized that by embracing their differences and working together, they could discover the strength within unity and collaboration. Without hesitation, the animals set out to prepare for the arrival of the Tempestus. The Swift Squirrels scurried through the forest, collecting branches, leaves, and other materials needed for shelter. The Wise Owls perched atop the tallest trees, using their sharp vision to scout the safest routes through the storm. The Mighty Lions roamed the kingdom, standing guard and ensuring the safety of all. As the storm approached, the animals completed their preparations. They built sturdy shelters, marked the safe paths, and gathered together in the heart of Verdantia. The storm arrived with a fury, whipping through the trees, howling with a force that shook the very ground beneath them. But the animals stood strong, united in purpose. The Swift Squirrels shared their gathered resources, ensuring everyone had what they needed. The Wise Owls guided the animals through the storm's chaos, their wisdom providing clarity and direction. And the Mighty Lions roared fiercely, protecting their newfound family from harm's way. Together, the animals weathered the storm, their collaboration and unity proving to be stronger than any individual effort. When the storm finally subsided, the kingdom of Verdantia remained standing, its inhabitants safe and unharmed. The animals rejoiced, grateful for the strength they had discovered in unity and collaboration. They realized that by setting aside their differences and working together, they could overcome any challenge that came their way. And so, the animals of Verdantia lived in harmony, forever cherishing the lesson they had learned. They became an example to other creatures in far-off lands, spreading the message of unity and collaboration. And whenever they faced adversity, they would recall the time they stood together, side by side, and conquered the Tempestus.